Adding and subtracting monomials. So here we're going to use algebra tiles to model the expression above in order to combine like terms and write our final answer in standard form. So using algebra tiles, we can use different shapes or tiles for the different types of terms. So we have an x term, which is represented by the green rectangles. Then we have an x squared term, which is represented by a square. And then we have these single little boxes of ones representing just constants, just numbers. So in our expression, 4x, 3x squared, 2x, x squared, and 5, we have 4 green rectangles and 3 blue squares, 2 green rectangles, 1 green square, and 5 little counters. So in order to combine like terms, obviously we're just combining things that are the same. So we're going to combine all of the rectangles, which is going to give us 6x. We're going to combine all of the blue squares, which is going to give us a 4x squared, and the counters, which are just the numbers 5. But we want to write our answer in standard form, so we have to write our x squared first, then our x term, and then our constant. So for here, we want to combine like terms and write our expression in standard form. I did already lay out my algebra tiles for example A. So I have 4 blue x squared squares, and then I have 3 negative x's, 1 negative x squared pink box, and 3 x rectangles. So to combine them, I need to combine all the squares together. Because I have a blue and a pink, they kind of just cancel each other out, and that turns into 0. So that means I only have 3 left. Then I need to combine all of my rectangles. So I can combine my pink and my green, which end up canceling each other out. They turn into 0. So I don't have any of the rectangles left. So my final answer is just going to be 3x squared. Now, I don't always need to use algebra tiles. I could just go ahead and use my combining like terms idea, where I just kind of look at the coefficients. So in my B example, I can say y to the third power needs to go with this y to the third power. That it's its own shape, if you will. So we have 7 plus 5, which is 12, and we're talking about y to the third powers. Then I'm going to combine my y's. So I have -3, -2. So I have a total of -5 y's. And then I'm going to combine my constant. There is no other constant. So that is just +7.